I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Cthulhu using an easy method. This game plunges you into a world of cosmic horror, where ordinary people, known as investigators, confront unspeakable evils. It's a game of mystery, suspense, and psychological tension, where the focus is less on combat and more on unraveling dark secrets. Your primary objective is often to survive with your sanity intact, rather than to defeat monstrous entities directly. Creating your investigator is straightforward. First, choose a profession that fits your desired character, such as a professor, detective, or artist. Next, you'll assign skill points to various abilities like library use or spot hidden, making your character unique. You'll also establish your starting sanity and hit points, which are crucial for survival. Finally, give your investigator a compelling backstory. This helps immerse you in the game's narrative and guides your choices. The game unfolds with the Keeper, or Game Master, describing the eerie scenes and presenting the unfolding mystery. As players, you'll describe your investigator's actions, and when a challenge arises, you'll make a skill roll. This typically involves rolling a 100-sided die, aiming to roll equal to or under your skill value for success. Be warned, encountering the horrors of the mythos will test your investigator's mind, often leading to a decrease in precious sanity points. In Call of Cthulhu, winning isn't about defeating a final boss. It's about uncovering the truth and, most importantly, surviving the experience. Your investigator might face permanent insanity or even a gruesome death as they delve deeper into the cosmic horrors. Success is often measured by how much of your character's sanity you manage to preserve. The game's narrative concludes when the central mystery is resolved, or, tragically, when all the investigators succumb to the overwhelming dread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.